Hello, beautiful people. You welcome back to Joy and Family TV. And I want to say a big thank you and God bless you for your support. In today's video, I am cooking tomatoes pepper soup. These are the ingredients I'm using: tomatoes. You can use any type of tomatoes. And these are the meats I'm using. So you can use your choice of meat. I have liver, I have goat shaki, cow leg, beef. Yeah, you can use any type of meat, or you can use only fish, but today I'm using meat and fish. And these are the fish I'm using. I'm using dry fish, fresh fish. You can use any type of fresh fish or dried fish. You can use only fish to cook this pepper soup. You can use only meat. Depends on you. These are the spices I'm using: pepper soup spices. Here we have crayfish, pepper, Maggi cube, none. This is a blend: pepper soup spicy, salt. We have ikusauni here. So I've boiled my cow leg, adding the shaki, the meat. Add the spices to boil the meat. Then add all your spicy, cover it. So I add my dry fish. My meat is cooked. I'm adding the fish. This pepper soup is very easy to cook. Just follow it step by step. So when you're turning it, you have to be careful so that the fish will not break inside. That's my big crayfish, prawn, dried one. Adding all the pepper soup spices. So add the tomatoes. Mix it together. Yeah, just mix, add all your spices, then mix them. Test it. If it's okay, then you could cover it to cook. And you can see add a little bit of water. As you can see right now, then you cover it. Yeah, thank you, my beautiful people. And if you're just passing by for the first time, you've not subscribed to this channel, please, what are you waiting for? Just press that red button there and put on the notification bell so that anytime we drop a video, you will be the first to be notified. And as you continue to support us, may God bless you in the mighty name of Jesus. And you that have been watching me, watching this channel, God bless you. Thank you. I really appreciate you. Thank you, thank you. And my returning subscribers, you're welcome back. Thank you and God bless you. Please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment below. You can also support us on our playlist. We have playlist. have different kind of food there. And the tomatoes pepper soup, you can go with any swallow, even rice. You can go with any swallow. Just to change your egusi, your bolo, vegetable soup. You can use this to change them. Voila! It looks so yummy. It's ready to eat. Come and eat with me. Let's enjoy this tomato soup together. Thank you and God bless you. See you on the next video.